Good morning, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. And yeah, just got a small little package from Phoenix ARTIZAN Accoutrements. Thought you'd be interested in watching it open, so hey, here we go. Trying to remember to share this with you instead of just opening it and you guys not getting to share with me. So yeah, not as I recall. I'm trying to remember what I ordered, but it was like a week ago. I think it was last weekend. And here it is, Sunday before I shave. Let's see what's in here. Little advertisement thing from them. They always have these cool little postcards, what have you, that you get too, so it's kind of nice. The receipt. Okay, let me look at the receipt. What I get? What I order? Oh, a few things. I got some sample scents. Yeah, some sample scents here. But they do have awesome Phoenix. Oh, people have been fussing at their prices lately that have gone up, what have you too, but they have some nice scents. Fran and Douglas, you guys just do an awesome job with scents. So let's see what I got. Let's see, take this knife again. Let's cut through this a little bit. There we go. Just cutting through the foam and the tape. Let's see, what did I get? What did I get? What is this? Switchback 400. What the heck did I get? What is this? Oh yeah, I forgot I got the aluminum handle. I've been wanting this handle for a while. I like this 400 style handle. Boy, that feels good too. That's got some heft to it. That metal one, solid metal. 24 mil. Comes with, yes, actually, it's already on there. Yes, it comes with the orange band. I asked for, I ordered an orange band. Orange is the new accent color theme on my new Toyota Tacoma. So yeah, I wanted an orange one. And my Toyota Tacoma is silver. So yeah. So that was my thought in ordering this. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting a head for that. And I'm thinking AP Shave Co. out of Canada, cashmere, but just the 24, not the 20, not go lighter on it because I want it squishy. Is what I was thinking. But I'm open to other ideas if you have an idea. I want something soft, comfortable. I'm not looking for firm. I like soft and squishy too. I like to have it because I got a lot of normal firmnesses and firmer ones. I have like one squishy one. I wouldn't mind having this to be a squishy one. So if you have some suggestions for heads, I'd be interested. And I know, yeah, they have the gel tip natural. I'm not looking for natural hair. I'm looking for synthetic hair. That's my intention for this brush handle. So if you have some ideas, let me know. But yeah, I'm looking forward to filling that. But I'm very pleased with a little bit of heft it's got to it. Now for the samples I ordered. And you know, Phoenix has those tiny little vials. You get about two wears. You could just go heavy and generous and do it one. You absolutely could. I usually get two out of it. Maybe it's just my frugal Scotsman, maybe. But yeah, let's see what we got here. Let's see, throw that in there, get the box. There we go, behind me out of the way. And we got 3. And they are labeled. Oh, there's one here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear it today. I had something else pulled out, but I think I'm gonna wear this today. This is the one I was most intrigued with. Cold Spice scent. That's, of course, the Old Spice, their version of their homage to that. Then I got, let's see here. Sorry, glasses time. Reaching for my reading glasses. Supreme Sandalwood. Of course, I always like a sandalwood, so I'm curious what that is. Last time I tried a sandalwood, probably 4 or 5 years ago from them, it was a bit on the more woodsy, a little less sweet. I like a little sweetness to my sandalwood, personal preference. I thought theirs was awesome. I just like it a little sweeter. Oops. I'm sorry. That's what fell out too, is that orange band that goes with. So that's a nice bright orange. That's like the accent color to my truck. So what it comes with must be a red one. Where to put it? No, it's orange on there. Interesting. It's got an orange one on there, but it's not the bright orange. So yeah, I'll switch it out to that bright orange one. But anyway, so there's Supreme Sandalwood. And then this is called Epic Peppermint. I still have a Taylor Roll Bond Street Peppermint shave cream that I do enjoy. And yes, I can't normally wear for shaved soap. I can't use the all the stuff that makes it bright and cold and all that stuff too, because it clogs up my pores and all that stuff. Just gives me a whole bunch of headache. So I can't use it. But for an aftershave, I can do that all day long, because of course I talked to you about closing the pores with the cold water and all that. So Epic Peppermint, yes. So I'm looking forward to that one as well. So yes, some nice little scents. and a nice little project from Phoenix. And if you've ever seen one of those, yeah, you get a two-part epoxy, which I have in the garage because I've already done before. So I'll open that up. I'll put a nice generous dollop in there, spread it around with a toothpick, make sure it's all in, put the head in there, give it a little twist, let that sit for 24 hours, and you're golden. If I want a little more floppiness, I might shove a quarter down in there or something, or a wash or something in there to give me some gap space. So I'm going to play with it. I'm not going to just put it in there and set it and forget about it, because when I did it the first time, it was a little bit too firm for me. Then when I did, I wasn't crazy about it as far as what I was intending for it. It still works fine. I mean, it's still awesome. It's my travel brush. You've seen it with a white handle. Now, I wish it was just a little more floppy, because that cashmere head just excels at cushy comfort when it's floppy, I can tell you. And that's what I'm looking to do. So yeah, I'll pay more little attention, and I'll play with it a little bit, and maybe I'll try to remember to show you when I do glue that together, because it's, I mean, really guys, it's super easy. You literally have to go to the hardware store and buy the two-part epoxy. That's your biggest, I mean, other than the handle. But this was on sale, so yeah, I bought it. And that's what I was waiting for, a sale. And then the epoxy, you had to pick, the price of the epoxy was like, $10 or less, I believe, for the little syringes, like the 2 halves. That's what I got. That's what I use. Hopefully it's still good. Of course, I'll have to pull it out in advance, make sure it still works. If it's all clogged up, then yeah, I have to go out and buy another one, because it's probably been a year or two since I last used it. It's hanging on my wall in my garage, and we'll see how that turns out. But anyway, just a quick video to see what came in the mail. Hope you enjoyed. Go with God.